at this beautiful tree. I'm McNultyUpTheBiz.com. I'm doing the Adirondack Waterfall Challenge, and my goal is to collect 12 points, and I have to visit waterfalls, and they get a patch after I collect 12 points. But this tree is really unique, and it tells a little bit about entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs. So no matter where you are, who you are, what your struggles are, where you've come from, background, doesn't matter. You too can be the tallest tree and strongest tree in the forest. So on my hike, I want to go around this tree and show you the really cool details. Just imagine all the stories and the people that have told stories. Well, there's one of their battle scars. I'm going backwards here, so bear with me. No, the falls cannot be too far away from here to earn my points. I'm going to give you one more look at that awesome tree. And then, if you're hiking in the Adirondacks, I'll give you a tip. Always wear bug spray. See these markers? They're your way in and out. And the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, they do an awesome job. So you want to follow those markers in and out if you're going to hike the Adirondacks. And at the end of this hike, it's like a reward system. Not only are you going to get points for hiking, finding waterfalls in the woods, you're also going to get a patch, which is pretty cool. And there is the waterfall, the first one. There's 3 on this hike, so I have another 2 miles to go. Some other people enjoying it. On my McNultyUpTheBiz.com.